happy recording this video. First off, guys, ang bilis ng recovery ko. I mean, 2-3 days after my surgery, my doctor said na it's okay for me to remove my glasses. I mean, my goggles na. Kasi I have these goggles after my surgery na hindi ko siya pwede tanggalin. Kasi bawal siya ma-poke, bawal kong malagyan ng dust or anything yung eyes ko. Second, my dad just called me and he was actually saying na may makeup sale daw sa office nila, which is kind of weird for me. Baka normal yun. But anyway, may makeup sale daw sa office nila and he wanted to buy stuff for me. So nagulat ako kasi never in my whole life na bumili siya ng, makeup stuff for me. Gets? So, yun, sobrang natuwa ako. Then I told him, anong brand ba yan? Ganyan. Then it was Sleek Makeup. And Sleek has one of the most beautiful eyeshadows. Kasi sobrang pigmented ng eyeshadows sila. Kaya sobrang nagpapanik ako before filming this. Actually, I was about to film nung tumawag siya. Sobrang nagpapanik ako, bili mo ka rin kita, bili mo ka ganyan. And I heard in their conversation with the girl selling those makeup na she told my dad nung ilan taon na daw ako. So my dad said she's 20. Then the girl said, for what daw? Then I was really waiting for my dad's answer kung para saan yung makeup. Then he told the girl, pang YouTube niya. So sabi ko, oh my God, alam mo na dad ko nag-YouTube ako? Well, wala akong idea na alam niya. Actually, nung huli niya ako minsan, nagre-record ako dito, but then, hindi niya ako din-disturb or anything. Nagulat lang ako na he told that girl na I'm using the makeup for YouTube, and I was like, OMG, alam niya. And I was really happy kasi in that way, binibili niya ako ng mga bagay na gusto ko, nahili ko. Siguro, I think he saw my makeup vanity area 2. He saw my vanity area 2, kaya medyo napansin niya na I'm really into it and I'm really serious na gusto ko talaga yung mga ganung bagay. Wala, I'm just sharing you guys. So, yeah, for today's video, I'll be answering more of your questions na pinost nyo dun sa unboxing video. If ever I can finish this, I will proceed sa ibang questions na pinost nyo sa first Q&A video ko. May mga nag-post kasi ng questions doon. And if you want guys to ask me anything, just comment on this video rather. Anything you want to ask me and do it with the hashtag AskYanice. So without further ado, let's begin this Q&A part 2. So let's begin. For the first question, actually guys, hindi ko na matandaan yung mga sinagot ko for the sa first Q&A, but anyway, I'll still try my best na sagutin yung answers. Sagutin yung mga questions na feel ko hindi ko pa na-answer. So, yun. By the way, oh my God, pagtingin ko sa tandaan. Thank you guys, you already reached our 1,000 subscribers. Yes! Pero medyo nalulungkot ako kasi, I had my giveaway, diba? The last video was a giveaway. Tapos, in the mechanics, I said na you must follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook, ganyan. Tapos, in that week or days after posting that video, sobrang bilis ng subscribers, sobrang bilis ng pag-like araw-araw sa Instagram, sobrang daming nagpa-follow. Tapos sa Facebook, sobrang boom! Ganun yung dami ng likes. Well, hindi ko in-expect na ganun. But now, after announcing the winners, parang biglang back to normal na yung mga usual people I see liking my post, commenting on my post. Sila na lang ulit yun nandyan. Pero the time before na hindi ako nag-giveaway, sobrang daming nagko-comment, sobrang daming nagla-like. So it's very unusual, pero okay lang. Sige, it's okay. I won't push you. But anyway, so to begin the first question for today's video, the first question is from Mosh Girl 4. So her first question is, who inspires you to make a YouTube channel? What camera or editor do you use? Favorite drugstore foundation? Favorite makeup artist? Favorite local, international YouTube guru? So yeah, God bless, more power, happy birthday, God bless. Thank you, Mosh Girl 4. So, Guys, bala ko nga pala, isa-separate ko yung questions from, yung mga questions na related sa pag-YouTube. Than sa usual questions about makeup, about me, ganon. I want to answer the YouTube questions na isang bagsakan, na sa isang video, so that hindi siya magulo. Pwede may gusto kayong i-ask sa akin, you don't need to search for every Q&A just to find the question na nasagot ko about YouTube. Gets? I don't know if I'm making sense, but I want to make that video about YouTube na pag tinignan nyo siya, nandun na yung, alam nyo nandun yung question nyo regarding sa YouTube stuff ko. I mean, yun. Ang dami na sa isip ko ngayon. I'm sorry. And, oo nga pala, gagawa rin ako nung, may nag-suggest nung story time about sa eyes ko, ano bang naging symptoms, paano ko nalaman na malabo na, and ano nangyari sa surgery ko and all that. I'll be answering that and I'll be sharing with you my fake experience on my next video. So, for the first question nga, sorry, nawawala ako, from Mosh Girl. So, ang i-answer ko sa kanya is, your favorite drugstore foundation. I don't know if it's a drugstore foundation, but my favorite drugstore foundation is from Essence. Yun yung All About Matte Liquid Foundation. Yun. It's one of the best liquid foundations I've ever used. And yun yung favorite ko as of the moment. Next is, are you a makeup artist? No po, I'm not a makeup artist. Mahilig lang talaga ako mag-makeup, but I'm not a makeup artist. Yan. For her next question, your favorite local and international YouTube makeup guru. I mean, siguro hindi makeup, but more of beauty, yung mga favorites ko. Although sa international, yeah, more of makeup, pero dito sa local, more of beauty videos. So sa local, I love Ate Ann Klotz, Anna Kai, Say Tioko, Candy Love Art, Purple Harris, Simply Reyes, Janina Vela, yun yung mga favorite kong local YouTubers. For international, I love, first off, Jaclyn Hill, Nicole Guerrero, Carly Babel, I forgot yung isa, yung mukhang Barbie. Wait, isa-search ko siya. Sorry, gusto ko talaga sabihin. Anong name niya? What's her name? Yung Bebe XO, I forgot. Yun, siya. Gusto ko din siya. Pero the one I'm referring to is Lauren Curtis. Yun, gusto ko din siya. So, ayun. Next question is from Shane Francisco. Ayun, question na favorite YouTuber. Na-answer ko na. How old am I when I started doing makeup? Na-answer ko na yata siya sa first video ko. Oops. Third question niya, what inspired you to create your YouTube channel? And fourth question is how to be confident in front of the camera. Number 3, I will answer this on my YouTube Q&A. Number 4, how to be confident in front of the camera. Actually, kasi ako, medj performer ako. Well, I think that's a plus for me since kumakanta ako dati in front of the audience, ganyan-ganyan. Alam niyo yun, nasanay ako. But being in front of the camera is way easier than being in front of the live audience. I mean, it's the same way. Kasi yung in front of the camera is easier kasi ako lang nandito. Pero once I upload the videos, yung mga nire-record kong videos, once I upload the videos, dun ako nahihiya. Pero lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, nandyan na yan, may makaka-appreciate niyan, it's okay, just do what you love, and yun, ganun. In that way, I'm being confident myself, kaya post lang ako ng post ng videos ko. So yun, pero yeah, performing is one of the factors na nag-affect sa pagiging confident ko in front of the camera. And second, I do tapings na minsan may extra ako, minsan I'm part of web series, ganyan. So, medyo naging confident din ako kasi, I mean, while you're acting, people are looking at you and all that. So, you really need to be confident about yourself and in front of the camera as well. So, yun. Next question is from Ate catgirl13. Ayan, lagi siyang nagko-comment sa lahat ng post ko, sa mga videos ko sa YouTube. Hi! So, ayan, ang question niya is, paano po kayo nagsimula sa YouTube? Sino po nag-motivate? I will answer that in my YouTube video. Supportive po ba ang parents sa YouTube career nyo? And kailan nyo gusto or balak na magkaroon ng meet and greet? Number 2, ngayon ko lang na-feel yung support ng parents ko. Yung sa dad ko, ngayon ko lang talaga na-feel. Yung sa makeup, dun ko lang naramdaman na super, in a way, he is supporting me of my YouTube career, and my mom as well. Yeah, she's really supportive. Actually, there's this one brand sa Instagram, one online seller sa Instagram who sent her products to me, and I'll be doing or sharing with you those products kasi I'm using it ngayon and I'm really loving those products. And yeah, share ko sa mom ko. I told her, Mom, yan lang ba? Dahil sa YouTube, nag-send sa akin ng products, ganyan. And she was really happy about it. Talagang, ano yun? Gusto ko makita, ganyan siya. So I shared it with her and super happy siya na may mga tao din talagang nakaka-appreciate sa ginagawa ko. So yes, they are really supportive. And yeah, I really love my parents so much. Next is, kailan niyo po balak mag-meet and greet? I think I told sa first Q&A na balak ko mag-meet and greet if dumami na tayo. I mean, like, yung family natin sobrang dumami na. And, paano ba? Pag ready na siguro ako, kasi I don't think na maraming nakaka-recognize sa akin. And I don't think, kung mag-meet and greet na ako ngayon, madaming pupunta. I mean, you know what I mean. Gets nyo naman din siguro yung reality. Alam niyo yun? So, yeah. Next question is from Lovey Benzal. Sabi niya, how old am I? Anong course ko? Nas-answer ko na yan. Kailan ako nag-start mag-aral na mag-makeup? Hindi ako more of experimenting than nag-aaral. Siguro ganon. Yun yung term na gusto kong sabihin when it comes to makeup na nagsimula ako. Nag-experiment talaga ako sa lahat ng makeup ng mom ko. And yun, so far talaga, nung ever since naging interested ako sa makeup ng bata ako, yun, talagang nasa puso. Wow, nasa puso na. Pero yun, sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga. Next question is from Jezra Manalastas. So, ang question niya is, how old am I? I answered that. Do you have siblings? Yes, I do have siblings. Tatlo kami. Nag-iisa akong girl and sa gitna ako, well, ito silang dalawa silang lalaki. So, yan. And, when did you start using makeup? I answered that. Can you do a room tour video? Condo tour siguro. Condo room tour. Yeah, I can do that. But, room tour, bahay, like bahay room, not really. Siguro yung vanity area ko, yes, I will be sharing my vanity area with you, but not yet sa room. Hindi pa ako ready. Medyo magulo pa talaga yung kwarto ko. So, yun. Next question is from Sandara Araha. Yan, Sandara Araha. Ang question niya is, ano marirecommend mong products na mabilis pampawala ng dark spots and blemishes? So, this one, sa blemishes, may ginagamit akong cream. It's from Quick FX. I think, yun yung yellow, dark yellow yung, kasi diba, meron, sikat yung, alam siguro yung mattifier ng Quick FX. Meron pa silang pampatanggal ng, pampadry up ng blemishes. Yes, I use that one. Dati, sobrang bilis ng effect sa akin. But ngayon, ang tagal-tagal, ilang araw ko na siyang gamitin. Sobrang tagal pa rin mag-dry up ng blemishes. Hindi ko alam ba't ganun. Hindi ko alam kung nasanay na yung skin ko dun sa ginagamit kong cream or what. But, nakwento ko, may nag-send sa akin ng products. It's from Eco Skin Love. They sent me this serum. I think tomato siya. But, nagbigay sila sa akin ng face serum. Ginagamit ko siya before I put on yung blemish cream, whatever yon. Napabilis ng serum yung pag-dry up nung blemishes ko with the cream. So, yun yung ginagamit ko as of now. I will be sharing that sa aking skincare routine, which I will be filming maybe later. So, better check that out after I upload this video. Siguro yun na yung sunod na video na gagawin ko kasi sobrang dami nagre-request ng skincare routine ko. So, yan. Next question is from Faith Reyes. Ask ko if what is your greatest dream? Kung may tao kang babalikan sa nakaraan, sino ito at anong sasabihin mo sa kanya? This is creepy, ha? Greatest dream, I think nasagot ko na siya sa past video ko. Yung next question niya is kung may babalikan akong tao sa nakaraan. Hindi ko alam. Siguro wala. Hayaan ko na yung past. Kasi past is the past. Pero gets, I mean, it happens for a reason. What I am right now is because of my past, siguro. Kaya, kahit hindi maganda yung naging nangyari sa past or yung mga tao sa past, I'll just be thankful about it and I'll be happy about it siguro. You know? Yun. Next is from Tori and Pasyon. Yan. Question niya, what is your greatest fear in life and how do you face it? Greatest fear in life? Siguro yung madeds. Yun talaga. Alam niyo dati, no, bata ako, I kept on asking my mom if lahat ba ng tao namamatay, and she told me na yes, lahat daw ng tao namamatay. And sobrang takot ako nung sinabi niya sa akin yun. Pero she explained na lahat naman, ganyan, namamatay, and we need to spend yung life natin while buhay pa tayo. Alam mo yun? And explain niya naman sa akin, but up to now, it's still my greatest fear in life. Sin takot ako, yun. So, next question is love or beauty? Both? Makeup or food? Both. Matte or dewy skin finish? Matte. I prefer matte kasi sobrang oily ng face ko, kaya matte. Next question is from Michelle Samson. I got 3 things to ask. First is what motivated you to start a YouTube channel? I will answer that in my YouTube video. Have you had a breakout in your life? How did you cure it? I really want to know since I'm breaking out. Lastly, what is your greatest, as in greatest dream in life? So, breakout. Breakout is in yung blemishes, yun. Breakouts, yes, I do have breakouts. Tao din po ako. And actually, now, madami akong breakout kasi nung nag-surgery ako, I can't wash my face, although I'm using, facial wipes whenever I want to clean my face, ganyan. Hanggang facial wipes lang ako, kaya medyo nagkaroon ako ng blemishes nung days na nag-recover ako from my surgery. So, what I do to cure those breakouts? I wash my face every morning, and pag feel ko sobrang oily ko or pag uwi ko, I have makeup on, tapos nakauwi na ako, I wash my face agad-agad para mawala yung dirt and all that. Kasi galing na tayo sa labas, yun yung ginagawa ko. And syempre at night, bago ako matulog, kahit super antok na ako, I need to wash my face. So, but now I'm really having troubles, lalo na sa dark spots. I have yet to try new products that might help me remove those dark spots. So, ayun. Lately, I have been using face mask. Kaya, feel ko, that's also a way para mapadali yung pag-remove ng dark spots sa face ko. But if ever na makakita ako ng magandang regimen or, magandang cure sa dark spots and blemishes, I will share it with you guys. But for now, I have yet to try more products kasi hindi din ako satisfied sa mga ginagamit ko ngayon. So, yun. Next question is from Joan Paula Gemoto. I think it's Gemoto. So, question niya is, I wanted to ask you on your how your YouTube career started. Sorry, but I'll answer this on my YouTube video. Sorry guys, ang dami ko siniskip. Sorry kung puro next video ako, pero I know maraming curious sa inyo. That's why I wanted to do that video para hindi na kayo maghalongkat sa Q&A ko. tungkol sa mga YouTube questions and YouTube answers ko. So, yan. Next question is from Meryl Ashley. I think, na-answer ko na ba siya? But anyway, question niya, top 5 Pinay YouTubers. Is there a chance that you'd go here sa Tanay Rizal? I want to see you. Love you. God bless. Thank you. Thank you, Meryl Ashley. So, top 5 Pinay YouTubers would be Ann Klotz, Anna Kai, Say Tioko, Candy Love Art, and Purple Harriet. Sila yung top 5 ko as of now. So, yun. Pero hindi ko sila nire-rank na, ito maganda, ito mas maganda, ito hindi. I mean, madami sila, but siguro yung natatanda ko lang names din kasi, kaya sila yung na top 5 ko right now. But madami akong gusto, yun. Madami akong gusto. So, is there a chance that I'll be visiting Tanay Rizal? Will I actually go to Pililia Rizal, yun. Lagi kami ni Mommy doon kasi yun yung parang province ni Mommy, kaya madalas ako doon. But if ever I'll drop by Tanay Rizal, I'll let you know. Follow me on my social accounts. You know kung nasan ako every now and then. But mostly nasa bahay lang ako. But anyway, yun. I'll let you know. Next is from Ayana Ana. Question niya, anong course ko? Sa province ako kasi di ba nagko-condo? Kasi di ba nagko-condo ka? Yun lang, more power on your channel. Happy birthday again, mwah! So, hi, Ayana Hana. Question niya is, anong course ko? I have answered that in my first video. Yun lang, province. What is my province or city? I'm from Quezon City, but yung province ko is Rizal. Yun nga, yung sa Pililia, Rizal, and San Juan, Bulacan. It's Hagonoy, Bulacan. Yun, doon. I'll be going there on Friday. Yan, yung mga taga dyan, hello. So, next question is from Kathy Toberry. Her question is, who is your beauty guru inspiration? Siguro, yung pinaka inspiration ko when it comes to beauty is Jaclyn Hill. Siya talaga yung gusto kong ma-achieve. Wow, ma-achieve. Kasi, kahit ang dami niyang problems sa face, ang flawless pa rin ng face niya. I mean, alam mo yun, ang galing din niya mag-makeup. Sobrang hands down ako kay Jaclyn Hill. I really want to see her. I really want to meet her. Oh my gosh. Yun. Next question is from Sharina Sustuido. Motivation or inspirations for doing your videos. My inspiration or motivations is yung mga fellow YouTubers na sobrang dami nang na-achieve sa pag-YouTube nila. Ang dami na nilang nakilala, ang dami na nilang nagawa, ang dami nilang napapasayang tao, ang daming taong sobrang nagiging inspiration din sila like me. Alam mo yun, sila talaga yung inspiration ko kung ba't ako gumagawa ng videos. And yung mga nagtitiwala sa ginagawa ko ngayon, sila din yung isa sa mga inspirations ko. The subscribers, the daily, I mean not daily, but regular likers, commenters, followers, yan, sila. Sila yung inspiration ko kung ba't tuloy-tuloy akong gumagawa ng YouTube videos. Next question is from Princess Danica Cruz. May alam ka bang tips para mawala ang mga blackheads or whiteheads? I'm prone to that. Siguro, ang tip ko lang is gawin yung regular, yung pag-remove, yung pore strip, yon. Lagi akong siguro once or twice a week naggaganon ako para maiwasan ko yung whiteheads or blackheads ko, yon. Next is from Mianichi Vlogs. Do braces really hurt? Who is your favorite YouTuber? Answer that already. Do braces really hurt? For me, hindi ako nasaktan nung nagpa-braces ako actually. Akala ko din, masakit siya, pero hindi siya masakit. For me kasi mataas daw yung tolerance ko sa pain, sabi ng mom ko. Kaya nung surgery ko parang, gano'n lang din ako. Sobrang chill lang din ako ng surgery ko. Hindi ako masyadong kinakabahan. Kinakabahan lang ako sa injection sa ilalagay na dextrose sa akin and all that. Pero nung nandyan na, parang nung in-injection na ako, parang wala naman, parang okay lang ako. Tinatanong ako, may sakit ba? Sabi ko, hindi po, ganun lang ako. Hindi ko din alam at ganun, pero I'm really proud of myself na sobrang taas ng tolerance ko sa pain. So, a pat on the back, kaya ko yan. I'm really good. So, ayun. Sa braces, masakit lang siya pag, hindi siya masakit masyado pag, after adjust. Kapag kumakagat ka lang, after i-adjust yung braces mo, doon masakit siya. I mean, pag kumagat ka, masakit siya. Pag nirelease mo yung kinagat mo, hindi na siya masakit. Kapag ina-adjust siya, habang sinisikipan yun, medyo mafe-feel mo yung pressure nung pagsikip. Pero after that, parang mafe-feel mo lang na nag-numb ng konti. Parang siyang yung heart na tumitibok kapag bagong adjust. Ganun lang siya, pero sa akin hindi siya masakit. Pag kumakagat lang talaga. Pero ako, medyo matigas din kasi yung puso ko, Jo. Matigas yung ulo ko. Minsan kapag after ko mag-adjust, kahit masakit, kumakain pa rin ako ng bagnet, kumakain pa rin ako matitigas na bagay. Sobrang kulit ko, pero yun, hindi naman ako masyado nasasaktan, kaya okay lang sa akin. Pero yung sa iba, sobrang, meron akong cousins na sobrang bilis, like, ilang weeks pa lang hindi na nila kaya. Siguro, sabi ni mommy, kasi nga, kapag gano'n, mahina yung tolerance sa pain. So, kung tingin mo, mataas naman yung tolerance sa pain, matibay naman ang loob mo, ganyan. Makulit ka naman, matigas ang ulo mo, hindi naman siguro masakit kapag gano'n. Pero kung medyo mahina yung loob mo, kapag medyo mabilis ka masaktan, mabilis masaktan, yun, siguro sasakit siya. So, ayun. That's it for this video muna, you guys. Medyo mahaba na yata yung na-film ko. I will be continuing the Q&A on my next videos. Make sure to watch out for that. If you have questions, just leave your comments down below with the hashtag AskEunice. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to hit the like button and leave your messages at the comment section. If it's your first time watching my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get updated.